Simple gigs plus microtasks. This is, for example, what Fiverr doesn't have. SproutGigs. You can just Google for it. I'm not affiliating with it. Just search for it like this, SproutGigs, and it's going to be the first result, SproutGigs.com, where the world works, right? So, for example, first of all, you can see that this is very similar to Fiverr, but there's a huge difference. On Fiverr, you have to go and post your gig. You have to put a title, you have to put a thumbnail, and you offer your service there. And then you just have to wait for people to come to you and to choose you to do the work for them. One part of SproutGigs works the same way. For example, you just have a gig on something, people come to you, they hire you, and you do the work. But the other part of SproutGigs are these micro tasks that anybody can do, and you choose which one of these you're going to do. And on top of it, there's not a lot of competition as it is on Fiverr, but I'm going to talk about that later on. First of all, I want to show you this. If people, certain company, wants to crowdsource micro jobs, they're going to come to SproutGigs. And as you can see, micro jobs are small, easy tasks that require little time to complete. For example, testing an app, helping promote content, data collection, and many others. They will choose a target zone, they will choose the locations, and they will choose the demographics. And then you apply which one of these jobs you want to do. These are the jobs that don't require any kind of experience. They don't require any kind of skills, expertise, whatever. This is something that anybody can do. And this is going to work in a way that the more time you invest in these, well, the more money you are going to get. This is for everyone. Anyone, anywhere can do these jobs. For example, anyone can label the data. Anyone can test the app. And this is exactly what you can do here. But apart from it, if you want to go with influencing things, you have these kind of jobs here as well, because people can hire influencers. But today it's all about UGC content. It's all because of the authenticity. They're not looking for influencers that have like 100,000 followers or something like that. They're looking for people just like you and me, because authenticity and UGC content is hot nowadays. I mean, just think from your perspective. You would rather buy something from someone who is more similar to you. If you see a person that is similar to you, your status, whatever, and if they're using a certain product, you would trust them more, right? So that is what this is. And apart from this, there's a lot more things that you can do here, and I'll just lead you through it. So go over to the website, click on sign up button here, then just complete this simple information about yourself and be sure to check this. I'm a freelancer. When you get inside, you will use your skills to create these kind of gigs, which are looking like this. So it looks just like Fiverr, right? It's almost the same. But the micro jobs are going to look like this. And they do pay less money than one website that I'm going to reveal later on. As you can see, you've got these app downloads plus installs. So all you got to do with this one is to download the app, install it on your device, and you're going to get this amount of money. Or, for example, if you want to sign up and, swipe the content somewhere, you're going to get this amount of money for that. So it is going to depend on your location. I know that the dollar is not worth the same in the US and in the rest of the world. So these are going to depend a lot by the location where you live, right? But these other ones, you can charge as much as you want. But one thing that I like here on SproutGigs, and I don't like on Fiverr, is that you can price yourself less than $5, right? So for example, as you can see for this one, it is only $3. So this is when it comes to SproutGigs. But I told you that I'm going to give you one more option. In fact, I'm going to give you two, because these can be done by anyone and they pay good. The first one is called Stellar.ai. Just Google for it, Stellar.ai, and it's going to be over at joinstellar.ai. Click on it, and here you will see that you will find really good jobs, and they give you $25 per hour with these flexible jobs. Now, they do tell us that you do have to have some kind of expertise in, for example, creative writing or history or whatever. But if you scroll down, you will see that apart from these, you can have some general jobs. And as you can see here, no previous experience is needed to complete these, right? So no experience needed to complete these really, really simple jobs. And yeah, you can work from home, you can work as much as you want or as little as you want, and these tasks are just gonna be easy tasks like this. So you can select which AI chatbot answer is the best. Now, this is familiar, right? Because when you go over to ChatGPT and you ask ChatGPT about something, it's going to give you the answer, right? But afterwards, it's just going to ask you for a feedback, right? It's going to ask you whether the response is good or bad. So if you ask it like this, so why is ChatGPT superb, like this, it'll just give you the answer on it. And then, of course, down there, just let us finish. So down there, there's going to be this good response or bad response. Sometimes even it's going to give you two answers, and it's going to ask you whether you like the first one more or the second one more. But you don't get paid for it, right? OpenAI is never going to pay us for it. On Stellar, though, you get paid for it. So you select which AI chatbot answer is the best. So in this task, you will be asked to write a question for an AI chatbot on a topic you're familiar with, and then you will get two different answers, and you will need to judge which one is the better, right? So you'll have to look at various aspects of the answers, such as truthfulness, relevancy, tone, and length. So that's the easy job. Anyone can do these, anyone. So the next on is to correct the answers from AI chatbots in your field. For this one, you have to have some kind of expertise, right? In this task, you will be asked to write a question for a chatbot on a topic you're an expert on. So if you have certain knowledge about a certain field of activity, you will just write what the answer should be. So you will need to do a detailed fact check. This is mostly going to be Google searching. And then you will add any missing information and fix overall structure and tone. And the last option here is going to be to demonstrate how to do online research for a topic. So for example, in this task, you will be demonstrating the steps needed to do an online research on a specific topic. You will be asked to come up with an online research topic and then capture all the steps you take to do this research. So how to get started with this one? Well, you will have to do the skill match. And the skill match is not hard at all. In fact, anybody can do it. Then you will complete a task when it suits you, where it suits you, and you get paid for it. Really, really simple. How to get started? Click on the Get Started button here. Then the skill match is going to take about 45 to 90 minutes to complete. I've got a separate video on it where I just go through all of these questions, and you can just find it on my channel. But it's all about Google search, right? As you can see, use Google to research this question and then select the answer below. For this one, I'll just do it like this, 44. Because it is the correct answer. I know it. But I recommend that you go and watch my other video about it because I show you the process on how to do these tasks, how to use Google properly in order to come to the answers. You know, it's not complicated. It just needs time and some patience, just patience in research. And the last thing that I wanted to show you today is remote tasks. Remote tasks is simple jobs. It's just labeling, all right? You label the images, you label audio or video. And on top of it, if you don't understand what do you need to do in these tasks, they will teach you how to do this. For example, you will learn and then you will complete the task and eventually get paid for it. You can see down there, there's going to be differentiated tasks because in these less difficult tasks, it's just going to be to label a car or to label a person or something on the screen. Then you will proceed to these 3D scenes or some LiDAR things. And of course, the more difficult the task is, well, the more money you are going to get for it. And you are going to get trained. You can complete all of these later down the road if you just, learn what they teach you to do. This is good. This is really good because I know that everyone has some spare time, and it's better to use that spare time in order to get some money for yourself rather to, waste it on social media or something like that. It is possible. So just ask yourself whether you want to waste your time or just get some money out of it. It's not going to be thousands of dollars. It's not going to be a million, the next month. It is a good side hustle. And I've told you, depending on your location, these dollars can be worthwhile. The more time you invest, well, the more money you are going to get. So just head on, see what's there, choose the jobs for yourself, and just do one, right? Use your time wisely. Use your day wisely, right? We always overestimate what we can do in a week, but we underestimate what we can achieve in a year. So yeah, give yourself a year. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.